Tumurigere libunenchira ya moyo kurwa amegeri gochese abateneri bechipodi ase chisukuru ime yesoni ya Mochenu ime county ya Nyamira litukolia lero nigo amorokia gosini wanyako baba kanyora amegerio igoro yoboteneri bwabo gosebu boteneri ase chisukuru echibanyako baba gochorwa bunenchira yamo yokwanekebuna gochibale kokinia ebirengo bya masomo ase chisukuru echo munagotumwe muri kito Paul Kapokara
bunenchire ya moyo kubeka umusingi umyago cyase aba board member abo bachorwa se skuru ime zone ya Mochenu gotoka ime sub county ya Masaba North ime county ya Nyamira nigo litukulia lera banyarako bakonyora megerio nakiba gutunyarako bagakora imirimo yabo ase chisukuru
barabaya tubatemere ko ando gusanga cyane kiri bakonyora nande ko batere nakibara barakonye skuru kitu abana batuare chimbu chingiya abana basome bokomu egere naintuto chiko konyoranga matunda twanyara matunda kubase ekwendo masomo ya maya akuru curriculum based education
usangerekano yiga onyara ko bagokora wa mona Kristoba Osinde oyuru mu county education board kurase county Nyamira nigagendere ko bagagusegeta ubujabo kubwatira nase chisukuru nanene chinga kime chande menge ekubwataniwa mu nabana board abayiga egento gikwira chisukuru chinyinge kogwa kulengana mono Osinde nigagendere ko bagagusegeta abali mu kweneke bunango beka baroburuso bya gucyasa abana asagendere ko bagatabngo kubwatira negati abahana ekenyoro abali mu naboigo na aba board member abayigambo kikunyara ko bakwenekya abana kwenyorera amasomo yo muri mu ya uyu manyakante na CBC
okore gasiamo une kiombekamo ase bali chisukuru toko ka stakeholders education office sponsor abayiboli abalimu abana school community yani community ya school ase school ere ekore community ne ya sabeto school ne ya sabeto ne community so abono zo takanga abomo boboro kubwatana kobo asa once egere abana baitu basome bya
ningana korengana muno mu director bwe amangana ya masomo kurase jinseme chigacha Masaba North asereta ogano agendere ko bagagusigatana kwatebo mwana nigatakira konyara ko bagakwegwa libagali tangani elio kwegenderia subuguma bwa yasama tukale busyo
because in the past we've made a mistake of talking about motivation to mean giving the teacher more spirit than the learner, but the fellow who should be assisted most is the learner. That is the person we are nurturing. That is the mind we are developing. So through this training, there's a lot we've shared with the new boards of management.
Ingana iguru ya siasa ichikoletwa guchase chiskuru na bego chirere chiskuru kugwa yanyara kabage gukwanerwa asiyagikiriwe na obomo kuganirwa elio chisukuru kwegendereria
siasa liye gocha karoko nyoranga board of management mbari ko inform mbapu ati picture of what's happening lakini kitu abatebelinga we need cooperation tutageta harmony obomo we are all stakeholders abuna mission church minister of education abayiboli community abayiboli babana na community ya school those are two stakeholders abalimu abago sacrifice a lot for abana baito na abana
omweli oye egati abali beke nase omusangerekano yiga ngo baro kiriko kwa kwabo kubatakana mo na megeli yiga ayo baratunyara ko bagutumika elio kogendereria chisukuru.
From here, what is going to be done in our schools as much as far as school management is concerned is going to be of benefit to both the teachers and the runners. And otherwise, thank you so much, our director, Masaba Sub-County, for having taken us this step. We believe that as we are going towards the end of the year, we want to wish our learners success in their exams.
Ginko ripoti riketaseni kia wanchete kia Getembe kurasi nseme chigacha Masaba North ime ye county Nyamira inchi gongoro kwa Polycarp. Kara